Well, okay, class, it's nice to be here again with you. Today is Thursday, the 9th of April, 2020. I just want to give you an update of what we'll be doing next week so that we can start orienting our minds towards next week, starting on Monday. Now, from next week, we'll start to prepare for our end of semester test. What we'll be doing is this. The test will take uh, one test, will have three pieces or components to it. The first piece will be a multiple choice piece. So we'll have a multiple choice piece with about 10 or 12 questions. Then we'll have a true and false section, and then we'll have a written exercise. Now, the multiple choice section is basically to measure a specific content here to see whether or not you guys have learned the information that we wanted you to learn. And so to make sure that you have that information, next week, starting on Monday, we'll be going through the test review. And once we've gone through the test review, we'll post the test review up so that you can go through it on your own. And then hopefully on Thursday, we will have that first part of the test. Now, the following week, we will do some work on the true and false section. And again, the true and false section is to stimulate your thinking and analysis and to test your ability to apply knowledge in an effective manner. Now, for this section, the test again will be on a Thursday. So if we give you the test review on a Monday, we go through with you, then we give you Tuesday and Wednesday to play with it on your own time. Then again, you should be able to do fairly well on Thursday with that quiz. Again, the quiz is going to be about 10 or 12 questions. Nothing to worry about. Lastly, the following week, we'll be doing the written exercise. And why we'll be doing the written exercise the following week? Because a lot of the information that is in the multiple choice and the true and false, you can use that information to do the written exercise. And for the written exercise, it's designed to assess your thinking and articulation, your ability to make logical connections between points of thinking, and how you logically develop those points into a written demonstration. Now, this is going to be the last piece. It's going to be like the roof on top of the building, where you had the multiple choice, you had the true and false, and then you have the roof capping it all off. Now, this last piece will basically bring us to the end of course, end of semester quiz. And what we'll do, we'll take all of the grades for the multiple choice, the grades for the true and false, and the grades for the written exercise. We'll put it together, we'll add it together, and then we'll divide it by how many hundreds. Now, the point scheme that I'm looking towards using right now is as follows. For the written portion, I want that to carry a heavy weight of 50%, which should be around 200 points. For the multiple choice section, I want that to carry a weight of 25% or 100 points. And the true and false section, I want that to carry 25% or 100 points. So that's the maximum points you can get for the multiple choice, the true and false, and the written exercise. The reason why I want the written exercise to carry more points, because as you know, this last school year, we've been focusing a lot on developing your analytical thinking and your writing skills. So we want to see you show that to us. Now, it's not going to be very difficult. I can tell you right now, based on what you'll be asked to do, you'll be asked to write one paragraph, no less than 6 or 8 sentences, basic punctuation, a topic sentence, basic capitalization, the usual stuff. Make sure it's logical in its flow, and make sure it makes common sense. You know, when you read it, it makes sense. Just don't put two things together, whatever comes to your mind. Think about it, and then put that on the paper. So that's basically what I'm thinking right now. I have to discuss this with the principal and see what he thinks about it. And the reason why I broke it up into 3 different parts is because I want to give you guys all the advantage in the world to pass each and every section of this quiz. And then when you finish with the first 2 components, we'll go over the review for the written component. And so by the time we get to the quiz on Thursday of the 3rd week from now, you guys should be in excellent shape to write it. Everybody should be able to pass this. When we're finished with that, we will then look to see if there's anybody who needs to do anything to make up any grade and improve any grades that they have. And we'll see how we can help them to get where they need to go. And that should ride us right through to the end of the school year. So until next time, have a good time. Keep being corona-free. Keep doing everything you're doing. We appreciate it. And I hope to see you back in school whenever that is possible. But in the meantime, take care of yourself and have a great day. Bye-bye.